What's going on, you guys? Welcome back. Thanks for tuning in. Today's video we're going to be installing Meso Customs hex rack. Just straight out of the box. As soon as you open it up, you can see the quality and design effort put into all this. This is 1/4 inch aluminum powder coated, so it's pretty cool. So we're gonna take a look here. I already separated out the little. It comes with some jack nuts, the hardware, 2 spacers, the dome light adapter, the jack nut install tool, which is pretty sweet. I almost went to go buy one. And your install screw. Everything is nice and labeled. All right, so I went ahead and took everything out and added some washers to them. So these 2 shorter ones are gonna go with the spacers. All right, this is for the dome retention spacer right here. So it'll shoot onto there and be held onto this. So let's get into the truck. All right, so first thing you're gonna want to do is remove the dome light. So I have a panel removal tool. You can go ahead and also use a flathead for this as well. So pry up the front, just like that, falls out. All right, so now that we got the cover off, you want to remove your bulb first. This little tab right here, fall down, just like that. Set to the side, and then you're gonna want to pull these 4 tabs out. You can go ahead and use a flathead. So you got those 4 corners out, 4 tabs out. This tab here and this tab here releases it. Pops out. So take your flathead or pin hook tool, pry this out. This comes straight out. This little clip here. Top one, squeeze it in. This comes out. Just like that. Alright, so now you're going to take your installation tool provided and the install bolt, thread it in to the nut. And we're just going to insert this right here and place this in. So you got it on the tool right there, and you're gonna want to center because it goes side to side. So about, I want to say right there. Yeah, this comes out. We're gonna go ahead and jump onto the next side and do the same thing. All right, so now we're near the dome light and we're gonna put some jack nuts on the 2 rear ones. Go ahead, throw it in there. Stop that. Now that we have the jack nuts installed, we're gonna go ahead and mount the spacer on the back side, and these integrated spacers are going to go towards the back, line up with these holes. The shortest bolts, screws, go in here and tighten them. Just hand tighten it. Just touch the thread and stitch it down just a little bit. Careful not that. Across the thread. Same for this side. 5 spacers. spacer's already there. Just make sure this feeds through. And tighten it. So this switch goes forward, and then that, for me, it was a little yellow marking that goes forward. And for some reason, this was a little bit tight, the harness, so I just had to, it's hard for me to record, but I'm gonna go ahead and like this. Do me one huge favor, smash that like button, subscribe, check out the content that we got. I know I haven't been posting that frequently, but I'm going to be trying to pump out more videos. Check out our Instagram, follow the build, and as always guys, get out there, get on them trails, stay safe, and I'll see you on the next one.